what are your future projects?
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngikhiphe i-album namithi, it's called Embelekweni. It's doing great, like on YouTube, it's doing great on Spotify, and then it's also doing great for Enamint. But then manje, we have this new element. We're coming with there's this guy called Paymaster. Ulapa Eskuman. Sing let's shine like Kokobo, Ngazula, 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 Ngazula. And then manje we did a cover, I'm Tuli, so we're gonna release that cover end off. Them Tuli say Anakali. So we did a Swati version of that cover. It's gonna come end off. And then working with Paymaster is also got a few people he needs to introduce to the business. So we're trying to keep it in Mpumalanga. Whatever we're gonna do, whatever we're gonna do.